Alright guys, let me tell you, this freaking sucks. So you see, we've been fishing in my canoe. The worst idea I've ever had. My dad came and he's out there freaking, I'm sure he's just catching the crap out of some crappie or whatever, while he left us in the canoe bass fishing. We're going to go to Gypsy, but the water's so far down we can't get back there in the canoe. Well, I guess we could, but first of all, my trolling motor's screwed up, and second of all, I just can't get, the water's low. Hard as crap to get back there. And Dad won't answer the phone. So now. What? What? Finally. Alright, Dad's finally calling back. So I just said I'm screwing around. Hey, where the crap are you at? Yeah, come get me. We're at the freaking boat ramp. We've been sitting here for about 30 minutes waiting. Thank you. Well, let me show you all the freaking crap we have. Alright, the trolling motor's under there, under the canoe. There's all our freaking crap. And then we have that piece of crap right there. And then there's my bag and stuff. And then here's me. Here comes a guy on a canoe, on a kayak. I'm just screwing around now. Just seeing, using all the baits I haven't got to use yet. This guy's gonna look at me like I'm retarded. Throwing this buzz bait out here. Look at the bubble truck. I'm telling you, these catch fish year round. Double ploppers.
We need McDonald's. That explains.
One lucky subscriber gets to bring us McDonald's after this. If you buy it.
Yeah. Anyway. This sucks right now. Hey, that's good walking action.
Get some good walking action.
Get some good walking action. What we should be doing right now is catching crappie, but
we didn't bring any. All we brought was our bait casters.
I mean, I'm sure there's a way to catch crappie with our